Cheers, this is so amazing. Big respect to instant response retainers. This is really hard work. Just imagine that. Instant response retainers, people who have obligations to show up and help with the incident response if incident happens. So just imagine this life. Any moment, somebody could call you. And they would probably call you once a year. Or maybe twice a year, but like not very often. I mean, or maybe once in 2 years. But you don't want to miss this call. So you live your life, and every moment of your life is the feeling that the incident could happen today, and if it happens, you gotta help fast. You gotta be prepared for this fast. You gotta have all the tools deployed and be ready fast. And that's hard. You cannot simply refocus to do something else, because at any point of time, phone should be with you and you should be able to connect and fix. And you don't want to miss this call, because they probably will not call you twice. So it's not that expensive, but I hope to never do this again. I'm ready to do this, but I hope to never do this again, because that's really, really, really hard job. And big respect to people who do this instant response retainer job. That's super important. But yeah, that's for younger people. Let's say it so.